Hello and welcome to Chris's Retro Corner. I'm Chris and this is my Retro Corner, and today we've got an unboxing. So without further ado, here's the box. A little bit of damage in the post, but hopefully the contents is going to be fine. So let's see what's in here. It's nicely packaged. There we go. Upside down, perhaps, if you can try and guess what that is. And here we go. Some of you might recognise this already. I'm quite excited. I haven't owned one of these before. I'm getting to see this for the first time along with you guys. And there we go. That, as it says on the front of it, is a Commodore Plus 4. So the Commodore Plus 4 is part of the family of TED computers that Commodore produced. That's a text editing device. So they're a bit similar to the this one here is a bit similar to the Commodore 16, the 116. But this one's got a little bit more memory. And personally, I think the case design is a little nicer. So let's have a little look around. Innovative use of corn plasters there. I don't know if that's a particularly high or low serial number, but I'll try and find out. Seems to be in quite good nick. Little grubby, but that's okay. That'll clean up just nicely. And the shift lock key works. Splendid. All feels very nice indeed. The form factor's smaller than I thought it would be. Having researched these, like I said, I've never owned one, so having researched these, I knew it was going to be a little smaller, say, than a 64, a bit bigger than a rubber keyed Spectrum 48K. But that's really quite nice. So this comes courtesy of Jason Moore at Retro Games. Got this for what I think to be quite a reasonable fee. It is unworking. It's not tested, other than the fact that it doesn't switch on. So who knows? Who knows what it's going to take to fix this? But I hope you'll join me on my quest to get this piece of retro tech back up and running. So yeah, do check out Retro Games. Thousands of games on their website for anyone wanting original media. They occasionally have bits of hardware on there as well, and I was lucky enough to pick this up. Okay, as some of you might know, the MOS Technologies 7360 TED chip lacked the sprite capabilities of the VIC-2 chip and the C64, so suffered unfortunately upon release a bit of a lack of supporting software, particularly with games. So game animation and programming was done via programmable characters, very much like my first computer, a Commodore VIC-20. So I've got a slight affinity with the Commodore devices, also having owned a 64 and an Amiga 500. So yeah, this is the first view of this device. And I must say, apart from being just a little bit grubby, looks very nice indeed. So a bit of a sneak preview into my next video potentially. That socket, as I understand it, is particularly hard to get hold of, and of course I'd need some form of adapter if I were to try and use this with my Commodore 64 power supply, which I fully intend to do. Not having a power supply for this, of course, but yeah, that'll be one of the first few things I do. So this is not quite a double unboxing as such, but yeah. So, having picked up a Commodore Plus 4, I figure I need to know how to use it. So, very quickly, again, another quick eBay purchase. And this takes the form of, if I stay on camera, the user manual for the Plus 4. Just open this up, have a quick look at it. This is going to become invaluable as I try and work with and use this computer. There we go. It's a little moth-eaten, but it was sold for a very reasonable fee. So yeah, we'll take this off camera and have a little bit of a read through. So there we go. Commodore Plus 4, user's manual, not working. This is going to be the first in a series of videos of me attempting to get this machine up and running again. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in another video soon. Take care now.